Guys, welcome back. You were talking to yourself.
I'm gonna womp the cheese. He's the cheese. I'm gonna womp him. You know how you push the water out of the cheese, and I'm gonna get the Sam live from Indiana. Oh no, we're gonna do this again.
Alright.
Because you got crushed last time. Let's make sure it's on camera so we have witness.
It is.
You fouled me again. You saw that, right? All right, make a shot. We're playing one game of P.I.G. And if he loses, he's going to cry all night, you know? And I'll be laughing as I'm eating my pasta.
Right here, pass me off the backboard. I gotta make it first. In the window that's not open.
Doesn't count in this game, boy. Simple foul shot.
Simple foul.
There you go. From the crack.
Alright.
Oh,
God, I'm a bee!
so close, but yet so far. What?
P. Nothing.
All right, stain thing. Way. This thing.
Okay. This thing.
I'm putting him to bed right now.
That's not in somewhere. This way.
All right, so we have a problem here. He got his second wind and he's starting to play good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my app and I'm going to kill his internet so he can't play his Nintendo Switch. If I lose.
If he loses. I got it right here. Pass me off the backboard. I gotta make it.
Oh, you got to make it. I'm going to walk. Hey, big bumblebee.
Where?
Whoa, I think it's a big chubby one. He's got lots of pollen on him. He's chubby. He's huge.
That's a big bumblebee. Oh.
That dude is trafficking some like wow, pollen.
No, he's not.
Massive.
That was a big bumblebee.
All right, right from here.
You guys should have saw that though. That was a big bumblebee.
Oh, sir.
Wow.
You guys, let's do an easy one. Let's do an easy one for that little.
Okay, that's easy. Nothing. P.I. Next shot. Right here. You're getting P. See?
Well, I got a piece somehow getting to it. Whoa, nice shot. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bald eagle.
Bald eagle.
Bald eagle flying. Whoa, cool. All right, right here.
That's a Cody shot, so there's no chance he's making this. P! Oh my god. He has P. Easy. Okay, that's two. Right behind this crack.
P, right?
No, not P.I. Right here. Pass me off the backboard. Yes. Even if you hit the rim and it goes in, it doesn't count.
Backboard.
Yep. Right here. Easy. What?
Right here, easy. Oh. So we're gonna get some videos of Cody. You know, we're gonna end up playing once the weather gets better. Do some cornhole, you know, and then maybe some barbecuing.
Yeah.
Figure that one out. I gotta teach him to cook. So, hey, I taught your brother how to cook. So, all right. So what we're gonna do is, this is gonna be the coolest shot you've ever seen.
Okay. The coolest shot you've ever seen.
You gotta bounce it off your head.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. No, like father like son. So you gotta give it a headbutt, and then you gotta do a layup.
What?
A headbutt, then a layup. Oh,
Yes!
come on.
I did the headbutt layup. Oh. No, he's thinking. I'm scared.
So now we're thinking we're gonna do a granny shot
Granny shot.
from here. Oh,
I'll try a granny shot, but from this part.
right here. I'm putting the dog to bed. Right here, left-handed.
Okay, well.
Backboard.
I'll try to go back.
I don't care.
Yes!
Ah.
I did left-handed.
All right. He's getting annoying, so I'm gonna have to. And he keeps fouling me. You saw that. So I'm just gonna have to do this from here. You saw that, right? Foul again.
After up backwards. Booyah! We're behind this little. Ooh, trickery. And he has P.I. like me. Let's go.
Trickery.
I'm coming back.
Piece of cake right here.
Yay! What was that?
Stop fouling, dude.
Right here. That's it.
Oh, so close, but yet so far. So, what we're gonna do now is backboard. Has to be backboard. P.I.G. Good game. Good game, by the way.
You're right.
Good game. Tomorrow's. Talk to your buddies. Tomorrow is more story time. When he can talk like, you know, I could play basketball. Tomorrow's more story time. And when you make shots like this all the time, you know, just fouled again.
Yeah, foul. Foul. I guess. Bye.